In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the camera sound on your iPhone. First, make sure the ring/silent switch on the left side of your iPhone is set to ring. If your phone is on silent mode, the camera shutter sound won't play. Just flip that switch upwards so you can see the orange silent indicator disappear. Next, check the volume buttons on your iPhone. If your volume is turned all the way down, you may not hear the shutter sound. Simply press the volume up button before you open your camera. Now, open the camera app and take a photo. You should hear the classic shutter sound effect. Also, keep in mind that in some countries like Japan and South Korea, iPhones are set to always make the camera sound for privacy reasons, so you can't turn it off there. But in most regions, you can easily control it with the silent switch and volume settings. That's it. You've now turned on the camera sound on your iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.